This is a master class from a master chef on how to make a bully beef sandwich. First, you ox out the bully beef out the can or the tin. Then you cut up some white onions, some green onions, some country pepper, and now you're going to dress it up with some other condiments.
Like what?
Of choice. First being your mayonnaise for the mayonnaise lovers. Yes, we have mayonnaise right there.
Is Joshua supposed to be making it, you know?
So he always cops out. You're gonna put a lot of black pepper. A lot.
Alright, that's enough.
Then I believe you're supposed to put a little ketchup. I don't know what the consensus is, but if anybody have any opinion on that, let me know. That's the big part.
This is garlic powder.
This is a little garlic powder. Yes.
Where do I get ketchup from?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have not bought ketchup in over a year.
Why?
To be honest.
We keep on
Because we keep finding
stealing the
ourselves
ketchup from the store.
with ketchup packets. So we use the ketchup packets that we find ourselves.
The ones that we steal from the people in the store.
Namely, gas station, convenience stores. Gas stations. Convenience stores.
Like Wawa.
The one that has the film. The
Alright,
one
that
that
is it. I'm
has the
done.
Mac.
Josh, you come mix it in.
That's it.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, is that it for a corned beef sandwich? So you're going to just blend all of
You forgot
these.
mustard.
It's not supposed to put mustard.
You're going
This
to
part right
blend
there,
all of these together.
Have you ever tried putting it on a stove and making like a burger?
No.
What?
That's a good idea though.
I'm not making no corned beef burger.
Wow,
Why?
that sounds genius.
Don't work.
You just make it in a patty and then you probably put flour or something.
Making the way downtown. Corned beef nice. Making it fast
So,
and homebound.
The son is now mixing up the thing, which is the easiest part. So if it tastes good, it has nothing to do with him.
You can't put enough mayo.
Well, put more.
And you
You
need
know,
butter for
you
the
know,
bread.
do they put butter in the actual corned beef or it's just on the bread?
They do sometimes put butter in it.
They don't.
I remember it tasting buttery when I used to be a kid.
They used to do that. They used to put butter.
Your dad makes this?
No.
They sell it?
Yeah, I think he makes it.
They sell it at
Them
Juicy
sell
Beef?
it? No man, not at places like those. They would sell it like maybe at school or babe, where would they sell corned beef sandwich? Back
Arch. Funeral.
They sell it?
lie. Not nigga like so. I think you could put a little bit of
A little bit of lemon.
lemon.
No.
Lime.
I was gonna say paprika. You already know how we do in Yardie Belly Kitchen. It's no rules over here. Right? No rules. A little bit of paprika.
So now we are putting the butter on the bread, and it's better recommended that you use the butter when it is room temperature. Don't babes? Because room temperature, when you're using depending on the bread where you use, this foreign bread is not the best bread to make corned beef sandwich. I'm not lying. We need Jamaican hardware bread. Yes. Because don't the hardware bread that work way better.
These are too light and airy.
Light bread. These are what you call light breads. And so you butter your bread, make sure say you put a little bit of butter, and then you spread your corned beef mixture over the bread and make sure it goes to the edges. When I was in school, they used to take off all of the edges off the corned beef sandwich Hey, at the corned beef sandwich, them used to change the color. I know the corned beef. Oh, cheese. Cheese sandwich, them used to change the color, make it have green cheese, red cheese, and that. And now is our finished sandwich
No, them never
sliced
been like that.
into sandwich slice, which is the triangle.
Yeah.
How it look, babes? How it look?
More than with the foreign. If you ask me. Everything you can think of.
And you can add different stuff to your corned beef sandwich, like salad and them something, but this is the original way. Yep, this looks divine. It looks nice, it looks rich, it looks very, 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 very delicious. Can't wait to get a bite into this corned beef sandwich. But make we hear what Joshua have to say.
Wait. Take a big bite, no? Stop foolishness.
Now?
Yes.
The drive-through. That's the line. That's huge.
Move.
Another one?
No, you can't get your reaction now that you've been chewing.
Affordable, delicious. Definitely needs to do when you come to Jamaica. That's it. We did KFC.
Bite again.
Jamaica. And now
The other side?
we're gonna go over to the right
No.
Oh.
Margaritaville, right here, people in the water.
Go on, eat a youth. The camera running on. Fool.
What are they doing there? Let's go, let's go.